So this is the last warning you will get. This is the red light warning. You'll see this after you skip the orange light. If you turn it on, you'll see we have a red light over here, and you'll also hear a beep coming from the unit inside under the sink. Unit is beeping, as you can hear. We actually need to replace two filters, the CB and the CF. Okay, so we powered off the unit. We're going to change the CF and the CP filters. Just going to pop these guys out. It's good to have a rag down below in case there's any excess water. We've already removed the plastic off of here. I'm going to pop the top off of here. Pop this one in. Turn. Same thing for the top one here. Clicked. Now we're going to turn it back on, and there's different cycle times for each filter. You have to check your instructions, but that's pretty much it for changing the filter.